Well, I just got done putting the last coat of finish on my computer printer stand. I'm calling this project complete now. I had a really good time making this printer stand. It's really fun getting back in woodworking again. It's been quite a few years since I've made anything in woodworking. I really enjoyed it, so I'm sure I'll do some more. And I'd just like to thank everybody for watching, and hopefully you guys get something good out of this too. I got a nice computer stand to use. Hopefully you had fun watching it. Hopefully you can pick up a few tips too. And I'll see you next time. Gotta do a little dance with your finished project. Woo!